Guys, hello! I got a great news for you. I finally fixed this damn Bluetooth from the Denon S960h. This Denon has a good sound. In their new firmware and with our calibration file, you know, we have some file that you will insert it in your Denon receiver and you will gain almost like a high-end amplifier. So it's a big deal. And the Bluetooth of S960h was not working anymore. It skipped the tracks, you know. You had all kind of problems with the playing of the music from your smartphone or tablet or notebook directly to this receiver. So the engineers of Denon made 7 or 8 firmware files that I loaded and they didn't succeed to make it work. And I didn't know what to do. I tried everything, every solution. So I was complaining on the internet at Denon. We made a video complaining it because it's not naturally and normal for a $1,000 receiver not to work a part of it. And I thought a part of it, it's hardware broken that in 7 firmwares Denon couldn't succeed solving the problem of the Bluetooth. And it was not a hardware problem, thank God, was just a software problem, and it's still a bug inside, and we'll try to help Denon and you guys who have this receiver, because I know we are a lot of you that want to make it work. So guys, before making the last firmware update, save yourself the backup file from the general, going general into the menu in general, and somewhere there you have the backup, and make on a USB the backup file. Prepare yourself a second USB because we'll make a new backup file. Yes, it's an entire procedure that it works, and we will solve together this damn Bluetooth. So here's what you got to do, and listen and respect every step I will tell you. So first step, make your backup file, your old file. And then the second step is to make the firmware update. Make the firmware update and put your Denon to the last firmware. Once you did this, the first step is to reset your receiver, reset it, and then you'll see the Bluetooth will work. This was because I filmed 2 hours for this, and once I reset it, I was glad that it works, and I will prepare for you to announce you guys, oh guys, I found the solution. But when I made the calibration and set up all the menu of the receiver, the Bluetooth didn't work anymore. I don't know exactly what is the deal. I don't know. It's a hint for Denon, but I will tell you more, and the engineers and Denon must somehow solve this and figure it out. After you did the calibration and set up everything into the menu, the Bluetooth will not work. So get a second USB stick and save the new backup file. So not the old backup file, leave it alone. Make a new backup file, save it, take out the USB out, put the USB back and reload it. And I don't know exactly, but it will not work. Then, what do you have to do from this position? Do not reset and do not touch anything. Take the USB out. After the receiver will restart, you know, when you put the new firmware file, will restart automatically. Put the old backup file when the receiver will restart and reload it. Guys, I got to tell you, this operation will work. After you insert, so reinserting immediately after the new firmware file, your old backup file, it will work. The Bluetooth works flawlessly now. I can play music with my tablet, my phone, every notebook. The Bluetooth is fixed, and this is a joy for me and a great thing for me, fixing this Bluetooth, because I struggled a lot with, I consumed a lot of hours. Now I have an old tablet, but to show you guys that it's working flawlessly, I will put the receiver into the Bluetooth mode. Here's music, hold on the button. So let's hold it, and it's connected to my S23 Ultra, but I want to connect the tablet just to show you that is working. It says pairing. Now let's pair the tablet and to demonstrate that it's working and are not all talks. And go into the Bluetooth. Another problem that Denon was, you couldn't find the Denon receiver, so now it finds instantly. All problems are solved practically. I don't know exactly what kind of bug it's in the firmware, in their firmware, all the firmware. Now let's pair it, living room, and critical, okay, living room connecting. Okay, so it's in Bluetooth mode, it's connected to media audio. And to show you guys everything, the Galaxy tab, it appears Galaxy tab. Okay, now let's go into the VLC, let's see, and let's stream some music and let's play it. Next song, let's put and let's turn off the Bluetooth while it sings to show you exactly that the tablet is connected to the receiver and it's not other source. So now we have no connection, and guys, it plays flawlessly without interruptions. This was our concern. Let's see, let's open it again. And not only this, you can control, for example, if let's close the receiver, okay? Close it. Now it doesn't want to close anymore. Okay, let's turn it off. Come on. Yeah, I don't know what is with the remote control. The thing is that when you click living room or wherever you called your receiver, it automatically turns on and you have to play a file. When you play a file and push play to a file, it will turn on and it will automatically start to play your file. See? When you will turn off your Bluetooth, it will not turn off your receiver, but you have a standby mode and it will automatically turn off. Another thing, with your new firmware file, when you make the new backup file, well, when you turn it off, your receiver, it will not have this LED. It's very strange. So updating the firmware to the last version and making the backup file or not, when you turn off your receiver, it will not have this LED. Another bug reporting to Denon. Please consider this. So guys, this is basically, it works flawlessly. I tried with my S23 Ultra, with a notebook, with this old tablet, with all tablets and phones and Androids and iOS, works flawlessly without problems. So you know, I like sports, but for this struggling, I also like Gentleman Jack, so I dare Denon to send me 10 bottles of Gentleman Jack for this idea, because I helped in another video and fix the problem that engineers should fix into the Denon company. So I have nothing with Denon. I'm repeating myself. I'm trying to help you guys and help companies. And some companies are a little bit exaggerated because they believe they are the boss of the world, they are the top leaders, and they will not respond to medium, let's say, influencer like us that helps people free into our videos, except one video, you know, except one video, all our videos are free. So 99% of our work is for you guys, is forwarded to you to benefit from free ideas, unique ideas on YouTube. Also, YouTube, please keep in mind that we are exclusive on this channel only for you and will not publish our videos on other platforms. So I have a good collaboration with YouTube from 2007. I hope we'll have to continue pursuing this great collaboration, and recommend us YouTube on YouTube suggestions. So guys, this is how you will fix your Denon receiver. This is the greatest thing and the joy bringing you this video to fix yourself and to benefit once again for a great product. So don't forget, guys, to use our video. We have a video that you will calibrate it like a professional to take out the optimal from your receiver, and it's applied not only for S960h. All Denon receivers, we manage to get a great sound out of them, an optimal sound. Setting up your receiver with our technique and setting up your notebook, your Windows to extract the beat, perfect audio. Here is the catch, and then all the way from your notebook to the receiver to your speakers, and we'll talk with the cables you need, how to position the subwoofer, furniture into your room, your notebook, what cables to use between your notebook and the receiver. It's a complex, very complex video, and guys, this is a free video for you and for Denon. Keep in mind that we will do only for our people and only in this channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe that button, like that button. Denon into your next product, please send us to review it sincerely, your receiver or amplifier or whatever you like, because we like audio equipments. We have from Bauer & Wilkins, from GBL, from Pioneer, we have Audio Technica, a lot of brands. We have high-end equipments, budget and medium equipment, why not, and we will review it sincerely. Thank you for watching. We are iTechnology Reviews. You got to love technology because technology is part of our lives. See you guys, bye.